Hello everyone! Feels like forever since I filmed a video. I haven't posted as often as I was. I am still dealing with a horrible case of bronchitis. So I've been on doctor's ordered bed rest and meds and all that stuff. But I'm feeling okay at the moment, and sitting and talking I can generally handle. And I wanted to share this because I was so late with the December one, and then January's MFT release is just fabulous and I love it. So trying to catch up as always. It's the story of my life. Anyway, let's just dive right in. So first off is the Kissing Booth stamp set by Stacy Akula. It is, as always, adorable. Actual little kissing booth, and you can have your little characters, you know, standing behind it. And then, you know, sentiments, you can add the little banner, all that fun stuff. There is a coordinating Die-Namics die set for this, which is really nice because like something like the banner, to be able to like die cut it and just add it. And then you can add like little balloons, like kisses, 5 cents. I think it's adorable. Absolutely adorable. So we've got that one. And then we have the newest Pure Innocence little character here. So we've got Soft Place to Land. And she's holding a little pillow with a heart on it. I think that's so cute. So yeah, you're my soft place to land. Missing you extra today. I wish I could squeeze you. Love. Coordinating wafer die to die cut her out. She's so adorable. This one is super cute. This is the PUPS and Kisses stamp set. So you've got all your cute little puppers here. One with slippers, one with a letter, and then 3 just kind of as is. And then a bunch of kind of punny sentiments. Sending pups and kisses. How are you? Life is roughing around here, etc. Like just super cute. Coordinating dynamics for all these little puppers. Love. And then we have the Cute Conversation set. So solid hearts. I like that they're not the, you know, like the classic kind of conversation heart shape. I like that these are different. You know, kind of just a different take on it, a little more whimsical. So yeah, you got Kiss Me, Be Mine, XOXO, etc., etc., and then a solid one as well. So these will be really nice to like stamp in different colors. You can do pastels for that like conversation heart look background, etc. There is a coordinating wafer die set. This is like the Cute Conversation coordinating die set. I like that instead of just one, they could have just done one, you know, because they're all the same size and shape. But I like that you get 3. It just makes it so much faster, so you can stamp out a ton of these and die cut, you know, 3 at once. So it would just go really, really quickly. So we have that one. And then there are 3 new Birdie Brown sets. There are these 2, which I am just floored by these. Like, it just adds so much more inclusivity. So we've got the Friends Forever set and the Role Model set. Let's stay friends forever. Why are you so cute? Birthday hugs. Like, oh, so adorable. Have a totally awesome birthday. Let's hang out. You're my role model. That one is a really nice one too. Like, just such good little sets. You can get coordinating wafer dies for these. And one of the design team members made the cutest slider card with these. She had both images. And when you pulled the tab, both of them went like closer together. It was the cutest thing. Just look up the My Favorite Things blog, and it's on one of the release days, I think, was on there. I'm pretty sure I either saw it there or on Instagram. Again, bronchitis. It's been hard to think straight. So there's those ones. And then we have the Let's Stick Together Birdie Brown set, which is these really cute cacti in the Birdie Brown style. I love that there's even a heart-shaped one. I think that's so cute. And there's also like coordinating little planters that you can stick them in. So you can do them as is, or you can stick them in little planters. More punny sentiments, which I love. Like cacti plus cactu equals cactus. Again, puns. Love it. Coordinating wafer die, that'll die cut all the different cacti as well as the pot, so you can kind of mix and match. Love it. So I got that one, and then I'm really excited about this. This is an impressive dynamic. So this does not die cut. This is the impressive string of hearts, and like I said, this is not a die. This is like a hot foil die, hence me being excited about it. So it's a different color than their actual like wafer dies. It's darker and it's heavy because these are meant to go through a hot foil machine. So if you do not have a like hot foil machine, ones like this won't work for you. MFD doesn't have a bunch of these. There's this one, and then they did an amazing, there was a thank you earlier and a couple other ones. I'd meant to order and they like sold out and I didn't get a chance to get my hands on. Like this release they sent to me. But yeah, I haven't had a chance to try out their other ones, but this one I really like because it's just open hearts and then one solid heart. So anything that gives me an excuse to pull up my like Glimmer hot foil machine and play around with some foiling, I'm kind of excited to play with this. So yeah, and it does say, like they put a label right on it that it says it's for use with hot foil machines for stunning foil and letterpress design. Because that is something I guess you can do if you end up with something like this and you don't have a hot foil machine. I know Jennifer McGuire did a video on that. Using this like you would emboss with a die. So with a rubber mat in your die cut machine and just using ink. And then you can letterpress. So that is an option as well. But me, I like the foil because it's fun. So there's that. And then we also have the fabulous, this is the Love is in the Air stencil. It's just little cascading hearts. Can never go wrong with that. I love MFT stencils. And anything with hearts on it, I'm like, oh, so cute. Hearts and stars, I have a thing for. So got that one. And then we have another individual, like, graphic sentiment. This is You Have the Biggest Heart. And just a nice size. Oh, and again, okay. And here's an A2 card base. So you guys can see kind of the size of it. It's a nice good size. It can kind of take up center stage on your cards. And speaking of, I should show this to you, just to give an idea of the impressive string of hearts. Same thing. You know, it's just a nice size. Not too big, but nice to take like center stage. And then there's also the Smitten with You stamp set. So just very simple sentiments, and I'm sure these were kind of meant to go together because that's exactly what I wanted. I was like, this would look great, hot foiled, and then to hit like stamp and like cut sentiments into a strip, add it, perfect. So I'm so glad we're a thing. You'll always be my forever. If I had 100 hearts, they'd all belong to you. Like from the bottom of my heart, you have a heart of gold. Love it. So I have that, and then another favorite of mine. This is the Lots of Hearts Cover Up Die-Namics. This one is just slightly smaller than an A2 card front, so just kind of nicely framed by that. I'm like, oh, inking techniques, die cutting it from glitter paper and then adhering it over glitter paper so it's peeking out, doing ink blended background, pop design. I love it. This is definitely one of like my favorites from this release. Like it just love. So we got that one. And this one's really cute. I am going to include the graphic because I didn't die cut all of these pieces. I'm kind of running out of time here. This is the Pizza Maker Die-Namics. And I just love, yeah, you can literally now create your own pizzas with this. So you've got like the pizza base or dough, and then like the crust and the cheese, and then all your little like whatever you want to add. There's even pineapple, which my kids love. I don't like pineapple on pizza, but anyway. That's a debate for another time. And then there's the Pizza My Heart stamp set. So of course, pizza will never break your heart. I'm so thankful for you and pizza. Like, love it. Love it. So yeah, no one can top you. Here's a big slice of happy. That just cracks me up. Again, I like the puns. So we have that. And then we have, there are a couple here. So we've got the Sweetie Pie stamp set. So the big fabulous little sentiment, there's a little pie stamp, little hearts, which are just really cute. So there's a stamp set, there's a coordinating wafer dies that will die cut out the word, the pie, and the hearts. So just nice, and I really like how the word die, it's not just like, you know, a floating outline, you know, that would be solid. It literally cuts out like right around all the letters. That I love. What also is cool is, so there's that. There's also the individual Sweet as Pie Die-Namics that is the words, the pie in 2 pieces, and actual little hearts. Basically, it's this stamp set in die form, so you can kind of either or. So the black is this set. The outline is from this. They layer together perfectly, so I just adhered it to make my life easier showing it to you guys. And then the pie, the base, the red and the brown part are from this set. So I die cut it from red and brown, and then the outline is from this set. So again, it's all this kind of size perfectly. And then the hearts are those, and the outline is from the coordinating set. So I just kind of, isn't that cute? So cute. So cute. Just love it. So we've got that. And then we have, this is the really cute, this is the Trendy Tag wafer die set. So you've got your tag base, which is kind of a unique sort of shape. I like how it's a little wider. It's just a little different. And then there is a little scallop frame. So you could use a scallop frame like this, or you could back this with like some acetate and then pop it up and create like a shaker. That would work really well. You know, add a little pie, anything. You know, it's just a cute little tag set. So I have that one. And then we have the Love You circle frame. I've shown these in other videos. They're all the ones that MFT has done. They're all the same size. They'll fit their circle shaker pouches. They're just a nice size to have to frame like other images, or to do the circle shaker if you wanted. And it's just nice. And they all like all different words. You know, I've got the Christmas one and thank you, happy birthday, etc., etc. Like there's a bunch to choose from. So this one says love you over and over and over again. And then last but certainly not least, we have this awesome, this is the Lots of Love wafer die. And it just die cuts like so. And oh, that's my other favorite. Like almost all the MFT's releases, they're all favorites. I sound like my kids, you know. They can never choose a favorite of anything. It's like, this is my favorite movie, and then the next movie, this is my favorite movie. So that's how I am with stamps and dies. I'm like, this is my favorite, and then I get the next one, it's all my favorites. So just fun. So as always, like I mentioned, this was sent to me. I'm including these disclaimers for some people, for a lot of my people that have viewed my videos for a long time. You guys know the drill. But for people that are new or don't understand, these products were sent to me. I don't do release and review videos because it was sent to me. I don't have agreements with anyone because of that. I do these because I enjoy them and because a lot of you request them. So I started doing it way, way back because I like to see products in real life, you know, in a video, versus just a picture online, etc. And a lot of you have told me the same thing and really enjoy these videos, so I do them. But I don't do them because I have to. I don't. The products that companies send me are with no obligation on my part to do anything with. I just choose to show and share what I love. So I will have links to everything in the description box below the video, as well as on my blog. On my blog it'll be picture links, so it's kind of easier to see, and that'll be linked directly below too. And then stay tuned. I will have projects coming using this. I will have more giveaways coming as well, other videos, all that stuff. Like as I get better and start getting caught up with life yet again. So I will see you all very soon in the next video. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing and thumbs upping and commenting. I really appreciate it. And I will see you guys very soon in the next one. Bye.